everybody. So today I am super excited because I'm at Cancun, Mexico, and I'm at the Grand and Moon Palace, and I'm super excited because I'm staying at the presidential suite. So I'm going to give you a tour. First, you see a mirror with some camera space. It could be like, what's up? Anyways, next you have over here, and here's a bathroom. So you can do your doo-doo over here because there's a toilet, and you can wash your hands after. Here we got a mirror. Hello. And there's also a closet so you can store anything you would like. Next we have the AC, which I'm not going to open. There's a fly. Great. Then there's some artwork, some pictures of sea stuff. Yeah. Next we got a dining room area. Beautiful place and a bunch of chairs for your family to eat. And over here we got a mini kitchen / bar. So you can be like getting some drinks and be like serving it to you. There's this like a cabinet storage. There's like coffee and water. There's a sink and there's a counter space. Ow. Got a microwave. Some alcohol, which I shouldn't drink, so yeah. And then we got these two chairs. I'll be like, I want a drink, lady. Awesome lights, beautiful lights. And then we got this sculpture of something. Amazing. Now we're going to go to the living room. But first, I'm going to point out that they have these cool wall things. There are designs on them. They're on both sides. And then we have a mini staircase, which only has 2/3 steps. And then you go to your living room. This is your amazing couch. You can be relaxing and you can watch the TV. There's a chair there, awesome artwork, and there's the TV. And then we got some gold balls that are opened. And the awesome thing about this is that, come on, open. They have an Xbox. You can play games on the Xbox. Now we're gonna go into the master bedroom. So you just open up these doors, and these doors are for privacy. Okay, these doors are for privacy. So when you walk in, you see this awesome big bed, and there's also these seats, so you can like sit down or like lay down if you wanted to. So we got the bed, awesome bed. This cool like headboard, squishy, and we also got a bag. Which is fun, I guess. We got 2 side tables, one over here and one over here. They're basically the same. Then we got this lounge chair. This could also be a bed if you don't ever just hang around, sitting around. And then we got some more steps. And then we got a jacuzzi. So you can have fun taking a bath. Then we got some seating area. There's wine, I think. As you can see, it is connected. The balcony is connected to the living room because it's the exact same thing. And there's not a wall between them. So, yep. TV and some drawers. storage area, more AC. And now we're gonna go to the bathroom. So, here's the bathroom. We got 2 sinks and mirrors. This cool like backdrop. And then we got a closet, which is actually a pretty big closet for a hotel room. A gigantic shower. You can have family showers in here. Awesome. And here we got the toilet room. Now we got the other bedroom. So let's go inside. 2 doors. So this bedroom has 2 twin beds. And it comes with a bag as well as the other bedroom. Cool headboard. And then we got over here, we got the TV and the drawers. And we got a desk area to do some work. Here we got a dining area so you can eat over here. And we also got a jacuzzi. And has a bunch of flowers. And our view is the pool. And down there we have a pool, private view. And then up there that's the view. Over here we got the AC, a closet, and some storage areas for food and drinks and stuff. Look at that. And this is a door to the outside, so there's another entrance to go out and in. Here's the bathroom. We got 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. Here's a privacy window door thing. You can open those doors. You can be hello peeps. And then look at that. I need some privacy. Here we got a shower. And a potty room, toilet room. That's the whole room tour, which was amazing. Cause I did it, so it was amazing. And that's all today. Please comment down below. What do you think about this presidential suite? Do you think it's awesome? Well, I think it is. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye!